Happy morning children, welcome to the 3rd standard ICSE mathematics class. Today you are going to write your November monthly test. So this is our revision section. Let us go to the revision section. For the portion is 4th unit multiplication. Pattern for this is first one is fill in the blanks, 10 fill in the blanks you are going to attend. And second Roman letter is do as directed, 10 2 marks you are going to attend the multiplication sums. And third Roman letter is solve word problem, you are going to attend the one word problem. Let us go to the revision section. First one is fill in the blanks. For the possible question is 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Second one is 3 8s are 24. Third one 7 4s are 28. Fourth one 8 6 are 48. Fifth one 2 9s are 18. Sixth one 55 multiply by 1. When we are multiplying any number with the 1, we are going to get the same number. Next one is 55 into 0. When we multiply with the 0 is the answer. Next eighth one 5 into 10. It is 50. Next ninth one 0 multiply by 9, 0. Next 10th one 7 multiply by 1. When we multiply with 1, same number is the answer. 7 is the answer. 11th one 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12th one 7 7s are 49. 13th one 4 5s are 20. 14th one 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Sometimes the fill in the blanks may come on the front number or the next number. That is the factors also, children. You have to analyze and say the tables. Write the number correctly. Second Roman letter do as directed. We are going to do the multiplication sums. The next possible question is multiplication 184 multiply by 7. So we need to say the 7 table. Start from ones place number onwards. 7 4s are 28. 8 and 2 should be carry over in the 10th place. Next is 7 8s are 56. 6 plus 2 58. 8 5 should be carry over. Next is 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 5 it is 12. One more example sum 227 multiply by 2. Need to say the 2 table. First start from ones place. 2 7s are 14. 4. 1 should be carry over in the 10th place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Next 2 2s are 4 in the 100th place. Next possible model is lattice method. See children, we read in the exercise 4.6. Go through that one. I will explain one second to you. The second sum, see children, 89 multiply by 5. So 89 is a 2-digit number. We are going to draw 2 boxes. And multiply by 5 is 1 digit number. So 1 row, 2 column boxes. Similarly shown in the figure. So first thing, draw 2 boxes and draw one diagonal line. Next one is start to the multiplication from ones place. 9 5s are 45. 5 1 box, 4 1 box. Next 8 5s are 40. 4 1 box, 0 1 box. Now you can do the addition. Start from right to left. The diagonal wise. First diagonal we have 5. Second diagonal 0 plus 4 4. Third diagonal 4. So 89 multiplied by 5. The answer is 445. Next possible multiplication model sum is estimate the two number between which the answer will lie. Find the product. That's a question. For example, 27 multiply by 5. 27 is lies between 20 and 30. So 20 into 5, 100. 30 into 5, 150. So our answer is going to lie between 100 and 150. The actual number is 27 multiplied by 5. Write it in the rough column. Do the multiplication. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. So the answer is 135. So it is lies between 100 and 150. First thing is round off. Second thing is find the actual multiplication. Next, third Roman letter word problems. In that 4.8 exercise, we have 10 word problems are there. few word problems. Let me recall now. You have to go through all the word problems. The first one is, in a garden there are 132 rows of trees. Marken planted 5 trees in each row. How many trees are there in the garden? That's a question. So number of rows is 132. Each row we have 5 plants, 5 trees. Therefore total number of trees is equal to 132 multiplied by 5. Do the multiplication in the rough column and the answer is 660 trees. Next sum. Second sum, on a day of Onam, 225 boats took part in the race. There were 3 children in each boat. How many children took part in this boat race? That's a question. So number of a boat in the race is 225. Number of children in each boat is 3. Total number of children took part is equal to 225 multiplied by 3. That is, the answer is 675 children. Next, third sum, there are 4 petals in each flower. How many petals will be there in a 251 flowers? Solution, number of flowers is 251. Number of petals in each flower is 4. Therefore, total number of petals is equal to 251 multiplied by 4. The answer is 1004 petals. Next, fifth sum, in a multiplex theatre, there are 4 auditoriums. 468 people can sit in each auditorium. How many people can watch the movie in multiplex theatre at one time? That's a question. Solution, number of auditorium is 4. Number of people in each auditorium is 468. Total number of people is equal to 468 multiplied by 4. The answer is 1872. Seventh sum. There are 475 boxes of toys. Each box contains 9 toys. How many toys are there in all in the boxes? Solution, number of boxes is 475. Number of toys is 9. Therefore, total number of toys in all boxes equal to 475 multiplied by 9. The answer is 4275. So similarly, you can go through the remaining sums also, children. Good luck, children, for your exam today. Do well. Thank you, children.